Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock Polymarket. As you may have noticed, Polymarket is blocked in some countries like the US and France. This platform has restricted access to American and French traders because it is not compliant with gambling laws. If you try to use Polymarket from the US or France, you will see an unavailable button with an error message. Trading is not available to people or companies who are residents of or are located, incorporated, or have a registered agent in the United States, France, or restricted territory. But don't worry, it's entirely possible to use Polymarket in those countries. Before showing you how, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this content. It will mean a lot to me and help me create even more useful content. So, how can you unblock Polymarket? The short answer is ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app that you can install on your computer, smartphone, or tablet, and that allows you to change your IP address. Once ExpressVPN is activated, your real IP address will be masked and replaced by the IP address of the VPN server you connected to. Polymarket will then think you are in the country of the VPN server you've connected to. Let me show you a quick demo. I'll show you on my computer because it is much more convenient, but the process is exactly the same on iOS and Android. I choose a location, the UK for example. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. And there we go. I'm now virtually connected to the internet from the UK. My IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in the UK. If I go to this page, you can see I now have a British IP address. So, I've changed my IP address in just a few clicks. I refresh Polymarket's homepage, and there we go. I no longer see the unavailable button, and I can now make predictions. As you've seen, to unblock Polymarket, you need ExpressVPN. To give ExpressVPN a try, visit vpn-club.com/express or click the link below this video. ExpressVPN is one of the very best VPNs on the market today. It works perfectly to use Polymarket in the US, France, or any other country where the platform is restricted. ExpressVPN has thousands of servers in 105 countries. It's a secure, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. You can use it on up to 8 devices simultaneously. No speed limits, no bandwidth caps, a strict no-log policy. It's highly effective for bypassing all sorts of restrictions. ExpressVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it costs less than $5 per month. With this link, you'll get a 61% discount and 4 months free. To sum up, the idea is to use ExpressVPN to mask your real IP address and replace it with the VPN server's IP address. This way you can make Polymarket believe you are in another country. All you need to do is select the UK or another country from the list of locations and activate the VPN. That's it. It is that simple. It's worth noting that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, meaning you can sign up, try the service for several weeks with no limits, and then request a refund if you want. To get a refund, just contact the customer service and ask for your money back. That's it. The only condition, make this request within 30 days of signing up, otherwise it will be too late. That said, I recommend keeping your subscription because ExpressVPN will offer you many other benefits such as browsing and downloading privately, improving your connection security, avoiding bandwidth throttling, accessing more content, saving money, and much more. Forget about free VPNs. Free VPNs simply don't work for unblocking Polymarket. They're also not secure and very slow. They don't offer unlimited bandwidth either. In short, they are not worth considering. That's why I recommend using ExpressVPN, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to access Polymarket from anywhere. Don't forget, with this link, you'll get a 61% discount and 4 months free, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely rush-free for you. If ExpressVPN isn't right for you, I recommend NordVPN, another very effective VPN for using Polymarket from anywhere. NordVPN is also a secure, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. They have over 6,700 servers in 113 countries. To give NordVPN a try, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click the link below this video. With this link, you'll get a 74% discount and 3 months free. Like ExpressVPN, NordVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, meaning you can sign up, try the service for several weeks with no limits, and then request a refund if you want. That's all for today. Now you know how to unblock Polymarket. As you've seen, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you and see you next time.